Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by powering and preparing the JLab headphones. Plug the USB-C cable and charge until the LED indicates full. This avoids mid-setup cutoffs. Once charged, make sure your source device's Bluetooth is turned on and not actively connected to another headset. Find and hold the power/Bluetooth button for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes or you hear the tone. This puts the headphones into pairing mode. Doing this first prevents confusion in the pairing step and saves time. Now pair and configure. In your device's Bluetooth menu, you should see the JLab model appear. Tap it to connect. Once connected, you'll hear a confirmation tone. Next, install the JLab app when you want custom EQ, ANC options, or firmware updates. Allow Bluetooth and notification permissions so the app can manage settings. Make sure to set the microphone and audio output for calls or games in the device settings. Then play a short 10-15 second clip to verify clarity and latency. Finish by fine-tuning and knowing what to do if things go wrong. Use the JLab app or onboard controls to adjust EQ, ANC, and side tones so calls sound natural. Set a volume limit for hearing safety. If the headphones won't pair, perform a factory reset. Typically hold power plus a volume button for 10 seconds. Then remove the device from Bluetooth and repair. Once updated firmware is applied, most issues resolve. If hardware problems persist, contact support for repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.